Hi guys, welcome back to Spot on the channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to switch storage preference on Google Maps for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the started. First we go to the Maps application that you have been to install it before, and actually is automatically installed for your Android. And then you can click on the Maps. So don't forget, the first thing you want to do it, you must go to activate your location first, because turn on the location is mean you turn on your maps. Don't forget. And after that you can click the symbol in the upper of the right corner. Let's go to the offline maps. Okay, the next step, you can click the symbol in the upper of the right corner, the symbol of engineer. You can click on and go to storage preference. Okay, there is two options for you. The first one is device, the second one is SD card. And if you want to activate about your SD card to save all about of your storage preference here, you can click the SD card here and just click the save. It's the same way to you. If you want to move it or you want to switch it to both the storage or the device, you can click on the storage preference here. You can click the device. It's the same way to do it, and click save. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to switch storage preference on Google Maps for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.